Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Alexa, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Amazon Alexa device from the box. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection available. Locate an available power outlet near your chosen setup area. Plug the power adapter into the outlet and connect it to your Alexa device. Wait for the device to power on. You'll see a blue light ring that will turn orange, indicating Alexa is in setup mode. Now, download the Amazon Alexa app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account credentials. If you do not have an account, sign up to create a new one. Once logged in, tap on the device's icon in the bottom menu. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Amazon Echo from the list of device types. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your device model. The app will now prompt you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Ensure that your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want your Alexa device to use. Completing this step will allow Alexa to connect to the internet. After a few moments, the app will notify you when the device is successfully connected. You can now customize your settings within the Alexa app. Change the wake word, set up preferred music services, and manage smart home devices. Test the device by saying, "Alexa, what's the weather today?" If Alexa responds appropriately, your setup is complete. Explore the app further to discover additional features and settings. You're now ready to enjoy your Amazon Alexa device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.